Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure your iPhone is updated and connected to Wi-Fi, then perform an iCloud backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, sign into settings and verify your Apple ID, make sure you know the password, and have the SIM with the target phone number inserted. This prevents lockouts and explains why we back up first, so you can safely move contact, messages, and two-factor authentication without data loss. Next, perform the middle, detailed steps to associate your phone number. First, turn off iCloud keychain briefly to avoid credential conflicts, then open Messages and FaceTime settings to add and verify the phone number via SMS. This proves ownership. After that, update your Apple ID contact list under Settings your name, phone, email, replacing, or adding the phone entry. Make sure two-factor prompts use the phone number. This prevents authentication falling back to an old iCloud address. Finish by reactivating iCloud services and confirming everything syncs to the phone number. Sign out of iCloud and sign back in if any service still shows the old contact. Use your Apple ID and the newly verified phone number when prompted. If verification SMS or calls fail, try toggling airplane mode, restarting the phone, or moving the SIM to another device. This often resolves carrier routing. If problems persist, contact your carrier since number routing, not Apple settings, is usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.